T, 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 T. Please type T. Please type T. T, 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 T. Troy Coy. Please type T. Please type T. Type T. Type T. T, 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 T. Type T. Type T. T. Troy Coy.
Have you heard the news? Gary's food reviews. Taste the chops and juice. Puts it on YouTube. A certified pilot, second to none. Come watch Gary, let's have some fun. An overall rating from 10 to 1. It's Gary's food reviews.
Hello and welcome to another episode in Gary's Food Review. Today I'll be trying some canned sardines.
This motherfucker's eating sardines. Sorry for swearing. This guy's eating sardines. He's crazy.
So I never had sardines before.
Oh my god,
so
Jack, it's gonna be a low
give
one.
these a try.
Who the hell is? What are you, a Kane? Oh my god, are you a bodybuilder? No, it doesn't have a great financial backing. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I mean, I guess I know what a sardine looks like.
Check them out. Ooh.
Brother, what are you doing?
Man, it smells very fishy.
Wonder why. Oh my god. There's no way he's gonna enjoy those.
Give this a try.
Alright. Get that in there.
That was legit.
Yo, stop putting the uncle. Why is he not being disgusted? Why is he liking this?
Interesting.
That
Like a
was
fucking
legit.
Jesus
fish.
Christ, stop with the... Why is he enjoying this?
Yeah.
My God. Oh,
Yeah,
thank you for the
just
root
like-
beer float.
Fish with like lots of salt on it.
That was legit.
Shut the
Very
Okay,
like
I'm gonna turn this
greasy-ish taste too. Like a little bit greasy and salty. There you go, little fishy.
What? Yo, shout out to Ben for the 69.
See how these aren't so bad.
Really?
That
They're
was
pretty good for
legitness.
these
Josh?
canned fish. So yeah, especially if you're a fish lover, these aren't so bad at all.
Okay.
They're quite enjoyable.
Okay.
It's kind of the closest thing I can say reminds me of. It's like it like reminds me similar of like a tuna fish kind of.
Okay.
Closer to tuna fish than any other fish, but it has like its own like fishy taste, but kind of closer to tuna, kind of tuna
That's
mixed in
strange.
with something else, like a basic fish. But yeah, closer to like a tuna flavor, kind of. But yeah, it's not so bad at all. Like I said, especially if you're a fish lover. So yeah, sardines are not so bad after all.
Wow.
They look kind of weird and gross, but yeah, like I said, if you're a fish lover, you should enjoy these.
No, you shouldn't. They're
So
not.
with
I'm a
that
fish
said,
lover.
Overall,
Okay,
on
but
the
they're not
food
dang.
scale
They're
overall,
sardines. Okay. I was gonna say it's gonna be a 2, but Gare Bear apparently likes them. There's no way it's a 10 though, or a 9, and I feel like an 8 seems excessive. A 7? A 6 for me doesn't like it. Honestly, it could be an 8. This is a tough one. This might be one of the toughest Gare Bear predictions of all time. I'm gonna go 7 though. Final answer 7. 7. You heard it first. So
I'm gonna have to give sardines a
my
a 7 out of
Yes!
10. Like I said, yeah,
Yes!
they're pretty good. Especially if
6,
you're
7.
a fish lover.
6,
So
7.
yeah, if you're not a fish lover, yeah, you probably won't care for this at all, since it does have a kind of like a good fishy taste, like slightly closer to tuna. So if you like tuna, you might enjoy this somewhat.
You might not.
It's not like a full tuna flavor. It's like a hint. It reminds me closer to tuna, but it has its own kind of like flavor-ish, but closer to tuna side with a little bit more of like a new type of fishy flavor.
All right. That's
Anyways, this is it for
disgusting.
now. Hope you guys enjoyed this
All
video.
right.
Till next time, I will catch you all later.
Another catch me? Fishy bastard.